Hello! Today we're going to continue our exploration for our insect project using Kids InfoBits. Today we're going to do more of an advanced search. I'm at the home page and I'm going to go to advanced search. And I'm going to come up with a topic, bees. And I can change this to be and or not. I'm going to keep it at and. And my other keyword is going to be extinction. And these are the other options that I can even do a more advanced search on. Today, I'm just going to search this, and here are my results. Now, over here, tells me I have 1 magazine article and 5 news articles. And again, these are my content levels. So I'm seeing higher levels, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So I'm going to click a news article. And over here, I can refine my search even more by selecting the content level that I want to read at. So no level 1. There are some level 4s. Level 5. I'm going to stick with level 4. And if I wanted to refine my search even more, I can look at the subjects that are listed in these news articles or the document type or by publication title. So I can see that all 3 of the articles right here are published from CNN. So I'm interested in let's go to bees because that's what I want to learn about. And I want to know how we can save the bees. And again, I want to send this to my Google Drive. And I'm going to use my highlight tools to highlight something that I think is important in this article. I think definitely it is important that bees help make the foods that we enjoy, like strawberries, avocado, and broccoli. And then I want to make sure that I have my proper citation. And I can listen to this as well. I hope this advanced search was helpful. Thanks for watching.